Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from Venmo to external wallet. So to get started with a guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from Venmo to external wallet. So the first thing to do is to open your Venmo app, then go to the crypto section, then from there tap on U button, then click on crypto, then select Bitcoin, which is BTC. So to do this, tap the Bitcoin from the list of cryptos, then tap transfer or send. So choose the send to external wallet on the list, then enter the external wallet address, then paste or scan the Bitcoin address you want to send the Bitcoin to, then double check the address. The Bitcoin transaction can't be reversed, which is, you have to notice that it is very, very important. Confirm the wallet address, or if it is to scan the QR code. In fact, if it is possible, make sure you scan through QR code. But if there's no means of scanning through the QR code, confirm the wallet address you're about to use to make the transaction, because once you've done that, or the transaction, you can't refund it. It is irreversible. So when you confirm that, enter the amount, choose how much Bitcoin to send, then confirm the network fee and transfer review. Then once that is confirmed, input the amount of BTC, then the network fee, the charge in BTC, the total being sent. Then after that, tap on confirm on send, and that's how you can easily transfer Bitcoin from Venmo to external wallet. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.